Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this approved used vehicle which we've just had come into stock here at the dealership. This is the Audi Q5 Black Edition 45 TFSI Quattro with the S-Tronic automatic gearbox. This particular model comes in the stunning Navara blue metallic paintwork and looks super sporty and stylish from every angle. From the 2-litre petrol engine you get 261 brake horsepower with 370 Nm of torque, getting you from 0 to 60 in 5.9 seconds and onto a top speed of 149 miles per hour. On the front we have these fabulous matrix LED headlights offering you maximum visibility regardless of weather condition. And on all four corners these 20-inch Audi Sport 5 V-spoke star design alloy wheels finishing anthracite black with a diamond cut finish, offering a lovely contrast to that blue metallic paintwork and working really nicely with the gloss black styling package. A panoramic glass sunroof has been added to this vehicle, allowing maximum sunlight into the cabin for a nice airy driving experience. With the electrically operated tailgate open you get 550 litres of boot space, perfect for your everyday essentials and weekend away luggage. With the rear seats folded you get 1550 litres, which is perfect for those larger and bulkier items. The interior is finished in fine Napa leather in black with rock grey contrasting stitching from maximum luxury, with centre armrest, dual cup holders and tri-zone climate control, allowing the rear passengers to be as comfortable as possible. Both outer seats come with Isofix points so you can safely and securely travel up to 2 child seats in the rear of the vehicle. In the front we have the leather multifunction steering wheel with the Audi virtual cockpit behind, central touchscreen display and dual zone climate control. Both front seats are sport seats with S badge embossing at the top and are electrically adjustable with memory function on driver's side, so finding your perfect driving position has never been easier. The virtual cockpit is configurable to your tastes and needs using the left side of the multifunction controls. On the right is your volume and voice control such as mid-journey phone calls, and underneath to the left your cruise control and speed limiter for precious motorway and miles per gallon. From the central touchscreen display you can access Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as DAB and FM radio stations, or simply navigation. Under the climate control is the Audi Drive Select, giving you maximum control of the overall feel and drive of the vehicle. And next to this is the Park Assist buttons, bringing up the 360-degree camera system, so you never need to worry about damaging your paintwork, as well as the Park Assist which lets the car park itself for you. All you have to do is change gear, accelerate and brake as prompted. Using the dual zone climate control, both driver and passenger can be at different temperatures or synchronised if you're in the car on your own, and both front seats have 3 levels of heat to them, but which is perfect for those cold winter mornings. If you like the look of this vehicle, do not hesitate to get in contact or simply come and take a look for yourself.